हाँ जी, चलिए let's talk about time, speed and distance. You people have studied this topic in your school time, right? What is distance? Distance equals to speed into time. ठीक है? In your school time, you must have learnt this concept that distance is equal to speed into time. From this formula, we can derive two more formulas, that speed equals to distance upon time, and from here we can derive one more formula, time equals to distance upon speed. इतना आता है आपको, right? खत्म हो गया टाइम, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस, दैट्स इट। तीन बातें बस आपको पता होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, अब देखिए, इन टाइम, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस कम्स अ कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड, राइट? वी विल राइट एवरेज स्पीड इन शॉर्ट एज एस एवरेज। एस एवरेज मीन्स एवरेज स्पीड। नाउ see, if two speeds are given to me, their average speed will not be that sum of both the speeds divided by 2। ठीक है, एवरेज स्पीड ऐसे नहीं निकलती। मान लीजिए आपको एक स्पीड दे रखी है 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर और दूसरी स्पीड दे रखी है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट? तो एवरेज स्पीड 20 प्लस 30 डिवाइड बाई 2 नहीं होगा। ठीक है, कि आपने कहा 20 प्लस 30 50 डिवाइड बाई 2 25 एवरेज स्पीड होगी, नहीं। एवरेज स्पीड ऐसे नहीं निकलती है। सी, द फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग एवरेज स्पीड इज, the formula to calculate average speed is total distance upon total time, right? Every time it is total distance upon total time. The formula to calculate average speed is total distance upon total time. Whenever we divide total distance with total time, we get average speed. ठीक है, जैसे कि देखिए, what sort of question we can expect, और ये एवरेज स्पीड का कॉन्सेप्ट ध्यान से समझिएगा बिकॉज इट्स एप्लीकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड इन पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, राइट? My question says a boy rides a bicycle 10 kilometer at an average speed of 12 kilometer per hour and again travels 12 kilometer at an average speed of 10 kilometer per hour. His average speed for the entire trip is approximately. Now see, we know this very well that average speed is total distance upon total time. Average speed is total distance upon total time. Now in this particular question, the total distance traveled by the boy is 10 kilometer and 12 kilometers. So this will be 10 plus 12. Total distance traveled by this boy will be 10 plus 12. Now, when he travels 10-kilometer distance, he travels it with a speed of 12 kilometer per hour. So, the time that this boy is going to take to travel this 10-kilometer distance with a speed of 12 kilometer per hour will be 10 by 12. Distance upon speed. Time क्या होता है? क्या लिखा time? Time, distance upon speed. See, distance traveled by the boy is 10 kilometer and he is traveling it this 10 kilometer with a speed of 12 kilometer per hour. So, time taken by boy to travel this 10 kilometer distance with a speed of 12 will be 10 by 12, distance upon speed. And now he is traveling the second 12 kilometer distance with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So, to travel this 12 kilometer distance with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, time taken by him would be Aji 12 upon 10. Very good, distance upon speed, right? So, total distance will be 10 plus 12 22 और यहाँ पे टाइम के लिए एलसीएम लेंगे कितना 60। To make this 60, I'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. यहाँ पे numerator and denominator with 6। ठीक है, LCM हो गया ना 12 और 10 का कितना 60। So this will be 50 by 60 plus this will be 12 into 6 72 by 60। 60 को ऊपर ले जाइए, so it will be 22 into 60 by ये कितना हुआ 122। ठीक है, ये 2 से कटा 11 टाइम्स, ये 61 टाइम्स, so it will be 660 by 61 which will be 10.8। and this will be your answer. So average distance is total distance sorry, average speed is total distance upon total time. अच्छा मान लीजिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि P travels for 6 hours at a rate of 5 km per hour and for 3 hours at a rate of 6 km per hour. The average speed in kilometer per hour is, average speed is total distance upon total time, right? So now in this particular question, first he travels for 6 hours with a rate of 5 km per hour. So in these 6 hours at a speed of 5 km per hour, how much distance will it travel? Speed into time कितना हुआ? 6 into 5 कितना हो गया? 30 kilometers. See, in 6 hours with a speed of 5 km per hour, how much distance will it travel? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed कितनी है? 5. Time कितना है? 6. 5 into 6, 30. So first he is traveling 30 kilometer distance. And to travel this 30 kilometer distance, how much time is he taking? लिखा तो है 6 hours. Next, he is traveling for 3 hours with the speed of 6 km per hour. So in 3 hours with the speed of 6, how much distance will it travel? कितना? 3 into 6. कितना हुआ? 18. So second distance traveled by him is 18. And now this 18 kilometer distance, he is going to travel it in 3 hours. ठीक? तो total distance traveled is 48. Total time is 9. कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? इसको कैलकुलेट करें 16/3, 5 full, 1 by. Read your question and see. ठीक है? करिए इसको सब. A bus covers 4 successive 3 kilometer stretches with a speed of 10 km per hour, 20 km per hour, 30 km per hour, 60 km per hour. So average speed will be total distance upon total time. Total distance traveled by this bus is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12 kilometers. He is traveling 4 successive 3 kilometer stretches. ठीक है? Now he is going to travel the first 3 kilometer stretch with a speed of 10 km per hour. So the time taken by this bus to travel first 3 km with a speed of 10 will be 3 by 10. Distance upon speed. Next, he is traveling another 3 km with a speed of 20 km per hour. So to travel this next 3 km with a speed of 20, time will be 3 by 20. Distance upon speed. Third 3 km distance, he is traveling with a speed of 30 km per hour. So time taken will be 3 by 30. Very good. Distance upon speed. And fourth 3 km stretch with a speed of 60, time taken would be 3 by 60. Distance upon speed. ठीक है. अब देखिए इन 10, 20, 30, 60 का एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? 60. ठीक. ये ऊपर तो कितना आ गया? 12. 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3, 4 बार 12. तो अब इसको 60 बनाने के लिए विल मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 6. तो इट विल बी 18 by 60 प्लस इसके लिए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 3. सो दिस विल बी 3 into 3, 9 by 60. इसको 60 बनाने के लिए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 2. तो दिस विल बी 6 by 60 और ये तो 60 है ऑलरेडी प्लस 3 by 60. ठीक. Now take 60 to the numerator. So this will become 12 into 60 by 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 6 से कटा 10 times, 6 times, 6 से कटा 2 times, 2 into 10, 50. क्या स्पीड है? क्या टाइम लगेगा? कैसे पता? 50 by 25 कितना हुआ? 2. Second distance traveled is 20 kilometer. Speed is, sorry, 40 kilometer. Speed is 20. So to travel 40 kilometer with the speed of 20, how much time? 2 hours. Third distance is 90. Speed is 15. Time is 6 hours. Total time आ गया right? So total average speed is total distance upon total time. Total distance is 50 plus 40 plus 90. Upon first time is 2 hours, second time is 2 hours, third time is 6 hours. So 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10 hours. So 180 by 10 क्या average speed आई? 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये देखो, a car goes from Bangalore to Chennai at an average speed of 20 kilometer per hour and comes back at an average speed of 30 kilometer per hour. The average speed for the entire journey is, average speed is total distance upon total time, right? See, remember this very well. If a vehicle goes from point A to B with a speed of S1, let's say A and B are x kilometers apart. So if a car goes from A to B, that is x kilometer distance with a speed of S1, and comes back from B to A, the same x kilometer distance with a speed of S2, then their average speed for the entire journey will be given by formula 2s1 s2 या फिर 2 into s1 into s2 upon s1 plus s2. ये बात ध्यान में रखेगा. और जरूरी नहीं है कि ये कम बैक करे. इफ टू कार्स दे ट्रैवल फॉर द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस विद टू डिफरेंट स्पीड्स, देयर एवरेज स्पीड विल बी 2s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2. मतलब ऐसे अगर होता कि मान लीजिए a car goes from A to B x kilometer with the speed of s1 and then goes B to C the same x kilometer distance with the speed of s2. तो A से C तक एंटायर जर्नी एवरेज स्पीड क्या थी? s1 into s2 s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2. ठीक है, अगर इस तरफ जाए भी सेम, लेकिन ये कब होगा? जब दे ट्रैवल फॉर सेम अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस, राइट? So now here a car goes from Bangalore to Chennai with a speed of 20 km per hour and comes back from Chennai to Bangalore with a speed of 30 km per hour. We have to find out the average speed for the entire journey. ठीक, अब देखिए एक चीज तो पक्की है ना कि जितना डिस्टेंस बैंगलोर से चेन्नई का था उतना ही डिस्टेंस चेन्नई से बैंगलोर का था. ठीक, सो ही द कार इज गोइंग टू ट्रैवल फॉर द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. So average speed will be given by 2s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2. S1 is 20, so 2 into 20, s2 is 30 into 30 divide by 20 plus 30. तो ये हुआ 2 into 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30 is 50. ठीक है, तो ये 0 0 कैंसिल, ये 5 से कैंसिल 4 टाइम्स, so it will be 2 into 4 into 3, that is 8 into 3, 24 किलोमीटर पर आवर.